Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Burman from gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel.
In this video, we discuss about Google Pinyin. So, what is Google Pinyin? It is a most common used system for spell Chinese sound. It developed by Google China in April 2007. Pin means spell and yen means sound. And what is the use of Google Pinyin? To optimize for typing Chinese, or we can say it is a Google keyboard where we can use which we can use as a keyboard to write Chinese letter. Pinyin is found for Chinese learning. It is the first thing that Chinese children learn at school. Now get familiar with Pinyin. It is a demanded from 1950. There are almost 409 sounds in Chinese. Chinese experts say it is the easy way to learn Chinese language, and it is available in Windows, Android, Linux, and iOS also.
Now let's see how can we use our Google Pinyin in Android. So first go to Play Store, open, search for Google Pinyin input and install. I already installed from here. So and then go to search bar, any search bar, press the keyboard space button, and you have that all this keyboard, and this third one is our Google Pinyin. If you not find here, you go to language setting, here add keyboard, you add all this keyboard which you want to add from with your main keyboard. If you not find here, you can just let's show you how can you active your Google Pinyin. So first I uninstall this, again install, now let's open the Pinyin. Here you can enable this setting, that second one, Google input, Pinyin input, enable this and okay. Then go to select input method. Let's check this first one for now, and then next set permission, so give allow and then accept, then go with this. Now choose your theme. I'll go for red and back. Get start. Let's back to search bar. Here press the space button. Now you can find that Google Pinyin, that the third one in this Chinese symbols, you can active. If you click over it active. Now you can type anything, like suppose it pin, and it show us that in Chinese letter. This is how you can use your Google Pinyin.
Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to put your queries in our comment box. And check out our Gossip Funda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box. Please check out. Thank you.